My best friend's number is Edilda. She is 26 years old. She lives in Palmital. Palmital is a very small town. She is a social worker and she likes her profession very much. Her favorite color is black. He is a girl with a strong character but very humble. She likes animals and the countryside. She doesn't not like to party. She drinks alcohol. She doesn't not like to dance in public. She likes to drink coffee. She likes to help under. She doesn't not like to go for a walk or exercise. In her free time, she likes to watch TV. She likes to go out eat. She likes pizza and hamburgers very much. She was like she could comb her hair well. No, she doesn't in very well. When she was like she could get close to cows. No, she likes them very much. She is very understanding and well listened carefully. She is sincere and doesn't lie lies. She is my best friend. Thank you.